Assalamu alaikum dear parents and welcome to session 4 of the third week. I hope you're fine and happy and healthy. And let us get started. Today we have three things in the agenda. Number one is tracing and coloring from the tracing workbook. Second one is the rainbow tracing of number one, and the third one is the fruit names in science. So we should do the tracing workbook first. Let us get started. And the page number we have today is 21. So let us get started. First thing first, write down the date and classwork, and you have to trace the shapes. So we have different shapes here: stars, circle, this is a triangle, here we have a square, and here we have a rectangle. So they don't have to really memorize it right now, but they just have to know what these shapes are. So that's it. Okay, so don't worry if they don't remember the names. This one is their favorite. They must know that this is a star. They'll have to trace the star. And here we have a circle, and here we have another circle. So this basically is showing the nighttime, because the stars, when do we see the stars in the sky? We see them at night. So they'll have to trace these shapes, and they have to use different colors. This is the moon. Here we have, if you can go outside at night, please show them the moon as well, so that they know how it looks like, and what is the color of the moon, and how the stars look like in the sky, teeny tiny stars. And then they'll have to color them very nicely. They can use different colors for the star as per their choice. Give them, or you can also give them colors to begin the tracing with. So they can trace it with purple, yellow, blue, green, whatever color they like. So when they're done with the tracing, they can color it as well. And make sure to color it nicely with small strokes. They must not leave any gaps or any spaces here. So this is how they are going to do it. And when you're teaching them this, just tell them again and again which shapes these are. This is a house. Tell them this is a house, and this is a door we have, and we have a window here in the house. And about the shapes: circle, triangle, this one we have is a square, this is a rectangle, this is star. And that's it for the tracing. And for the science activity, you have to repeat the fruit names again. We did two yesterday, which were grapes. I hope they know it by now. And for the other, they can learn the fruit names. Give them the chart, open up the chart and ask them, and see how they're doing. If they're forgetting some names, just help them remember it. Tell them the names of those fruits again, and they shall remember them. And the third thing was rainbow tracing of number one. So we have worksheet here, worksheet number 9. What you can do is, you can always keep the flashcard with you, the sandpaper letter, and put the left hand right here and trace it with your right hand. Take out 2 fingers and trace it, and say it again. This is number 1. So this is number 1 here. We have to trace it with different colors. And we have a moon here, or sun here, and they'll have to color it yellow. So here you'll have a dot here, just to give you directions. What are the directions for tracing number 1? We all know that. So they just have to trace it from the top to bottom. And just like I told you yesterday, if they're not making straight lines, you can put one dot here and the other dot here. So pick another color and trace the number again. Pick another color and trace the number. Make sure that they stay within the area, and they do it slowly and nicely. They have to use different colors. I've got different colors out here, 7 colors, so they can also use such colors. And for the moon, they'll have to fill it up with the yellow color. It's nice and slow. You can always go on Google and search rhymes if you want to, if you want your child to learn some new rhymes. They're always there. And sometimes the rhymes help in learning things as well. So, and you can do the rays orange. You can also make them colorful. Use the rainbow colors that you're using here for tracing number 1. And keep on repeating that this is number 1, 1, 1. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video session. Take care of yourself. Stay happy. Allah Hafiz.